Have you ever tried to create handwritten notes? Or you might think of let's create handwritten notes, but you stopped because you might thought of if I create handwritten notes, then probably I may not able to search within, or probably I may not able to edit it. Then worry not guys, in this video we will show you how we can convert our handwritten note to text. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you're watching iPad Essential. And let's see how we can convert our handwritten note to text. For that, I'm going to use default iPad app, which is Notes. So let me quickly type here Notes. And there we go. Let me actually choose the fresh note here by pressing here on the right. Now let's make it full screen. Here we go. Here we can see we have different modes or method to add content to our note. Now, as I said, we're going to add here handwritten notes and then we will be converting that to text. And here we have got this iPad Pro 11-inch with M4 chip. Now let me actually press this pencil icon below, which will open our tool. And then from here, I can select the pen. Make sure guys, we need to select this pen as this one is for handwritten notes. Now let me type here, for example, welcome to iPad Essential. And now let's try to convert this to text. Now in order to select it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on this pen icon on the top right corner to deselect it. Now here I will make double tap on any of written text and then I can select it by simply dragging it. Now again here we need to tap on the selected text, which will give us this option. Now from here we can select this option, which is copy as text. Now after copying the text, again I'm gonna paste it here. And there we go guys, finally we have converted this handwritten notes to text. So in this way guys, you can always convert your handwritten notes to text. That too without downloading any third-party app. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. For more such iPad related content, please subscribe to iPad Essential. Also please do let us know and provide your suggestion what kind of video related to iPad you want me to cover. And I will catch you soon with iPad related video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.